Okay, we discussed question number 21 until 35. Raj and Rohit is a partnership. The share profit is 2-1. Raj is entitled to the annual salary of 3,000. The annual salary is 3,000 and profit is 14,100. And then there's a debit balance of 1,800. The question asked me to calculate how much the balance CD, actually balance CD for this year is balance BD for next year. So they're asking the balance lah. So I do the current account. I just simply draft the current account here. My balance BD will be 1,800 in the debit side. And then my salary normally will be in a credit side. Partner salary is 3,000. And how about the profit? We need to calculate the profit share. How to calculate profit share? You still need to do the appropriation account. You don't take the 14,100 and then you use this. Cannot. You must take the residual profit and share, not the profit for the year and share. So you need to calculate. Profit is 14,100. You don't have IOD, is okay, 0. You don't have the plus IOD, you don't have IOD. Then minus IOC, you don't have IOC, is okay. Minus with partner salary. Your partner salary is 3,000. So 14,100 minus 3,000. You get 11,100. This 11,100 times with how much for, they're asking for Raj, right? Raj is 2 over 3. 2 over 3. So profit share is, share profit is 7,400. Then balance up this account. Get a balance CD. 7,400 plus 3,000 minus 1,800. I get a balance CD of 8,600. Balance CD of 8,600. Balance BD is 8,600. They're asking this answer. Answer is A. Understand or not? So I think a lot of students, they take 14,100 then times 2 over 3, which is wrong. You cannot take profit for the year. You're supposed to take profit, residual profit. How to calculate residual profit? This is how. Okay, next one. Which item appeared in the capital and reserve section in a statement of financial position of the limited company? They're asking for limited company. Debenture confirm wrong. Debenture is non-current liability. Okay, debenture confirm wrong. Debenture confirm wrong. So answer is D. I didn't read other word. I just read the debenture. Debenture is non-current liability. Non-current liability will be in a non-current liability lah. Okay, in the capital cannot have. Okay, ordinary share capital, general reserve, and return earning. Okay. 23. The issued share capital of AN Limited consists of ordinary share. Return earning is 78,000. For the year ended 31st December, the company earned 65,000 and ordinary share dividend 20,000 is paid and further dividend 15,000 is proposed. You remember, proposed dividend you cannot record anywhere. Proposed dividend you cannot record anywhere. And then there's a transfer of 40,000. What is the balance of the retained earning? So they want only the retained earning. So return earning is, I just do the return. I do the Sochi part, but I'm doing only the return earning. Opening balance is 78,000. And then get a profit plus 65,000. Then pay dividend. Dividend will be minus 20,000. And then there is a transfer. Transfer will be minus return earning plus in a general reserve. So what is the balance CD for the return earning? 78,000 plus 65,000 minus 20,000 minus 40,000. I get 83,000. The question asking what is the balance of the return earning? Yes, 83,000. Next one. Which group contains only the item which may recorded both income statement in a trading business and income and expenditure of the club? Normal income statement and also income expenditure in a club. Okay. Bank charges. Yes, bank charges is both also can. Depreciation. Yes, both also can. Wages, both also can. So answer is A. But let me check B, C, D, why wrong. B, bank charges, yes. Gross profit, and then sales revenue, no. In a club, we don't write sales revenue because sales revenue will go to the trading account, and gross profit also don't have. So wrong. In a club, don't have these two. And in an income statement, we don't have deficit. Deficit only the club. Okay. Treasurer's expenses. In a normal trading business, we don't have treasurer. We don't have treasurer. Okay. We don't have treasurer in a normal business. So answer is wrong. So answer A. Listen. 25. The following ledger account appeared in the books of the club for the year 31st December 2020. Okay, this one is balance BD in the debit side. If the balance BD in the debit side is my asset, when subscription will become asset? When subscription will become asset? Whenever accrued or prepaid. Subscription and income. Income, accrued is my asset. And then balance CD is here. Balance CD here means balance BD will be here. 3,000. This one will be my credit side. Credit side is liability. When subscription will become liability? When subscription will become liability? Whenever subscription is my prepaid. I receive in advance, then only I owe people. This one is similar to the just now question. Okay, and then bank. What is the meaning of the bank? This one is I received. Income expenditure. What is income expenditure? This is the subscription for the year. Okay, regardless you receive or not, how much for the year is income expenditure. So the question asking, which statement is correct? Subscription prepaid on the 1st January. No, 1st January is accrued. Subscription prepaid on the 31st December. Yes. Okay, this is look correct, but wait, let me check C and D. Subscription received during the year is 24,000. No. It's not received. It is for the year. Subscription relating for the year to the year ended 31st December is amounted 29,000. No, the other way around. So answer is B. Answer is B. The following costs incurred on the clothing manufacturer. What is the direct, indirect cost? What is direct, indirect cost? Okay, clothing means they use a fabric. So this is a direct material. Button is a direct material. Repair of the sewing machine, yes, is indirect expenses. Wages to the factory supervisor, indirect. Wages of a sewing machine, this is a direct labor. This is a direct labor. So the answer is 3 and 4. 3 and 4 is D. Understand now? Indirect means actually factory overhead. Indirect means factory overhead. So these two are factory overhead. 27. A manufacturer calculated the cost of production is 57,000. It was found that lighting and heating 2,000 had been omitted from the financial statement. Lighting and heating allocated 75% for the factory, 25% for the office. What is the corrected production? So how much the light and heat? 2,000 times with 75%. 2,000 times with 75%. I get 1,500. But wait, this 1,500 is factory overhead, right? It's one of the factory overhead that you forget to record. My question is, before you think the answer, my question is, factory overhead, you will plus or minus? Factory overhead, you will plus or minus? Plus, you remember the formula? Direct material plus direct labor plus direct expenses, you get a prime cost. Prime cost plus with factory overhead. Okay, so you need to plus 57,000 plus with 1,500. I get 58,500. Understand now? You don't go minus in an income statement. In an income statement, we will minus that one income statement. But this, the cost of production is a manufacturing account. We just plus everything. Except the last one, WIPC, we minus. Okay, next question. Tariq provide the following information. They gave me non-current asset, current asset, and current liability. And then drawing is this much. What is the profit for the year? But actually, they gave me this information, right? I can calculate the opening capital from here. And I can calculate the closing capital from here. Asset minus liability. Asset minus liability, I'll get a capital. So first I calculate the opening capital and closing capital. How to calculate the opening capital? 60,000 plus with 20,000 minus with 15,000. I get 65,000 is my opening capital, and my closing capital is 70,000 plus 25,000 minus 19,000, 76,000. So normally we take the opening capital plus with profit minus with the drawings, then we get a closing capital. So what are the information that you know? Closing capital is 76,000, opening capital 65,000, drawing is 5,000. So can you find the X? 76,000 plus 5,000 minus 65,000. I get 16,000. Answer is D. Is that not? Very easy. Okay, 29. This guy does not keep full accounting record. She provide the following information. What is the credit sales? Decrease in a trade receivable during the year. So they take the opening balance minus the closing balance. And then receipt. Okay, I do the trade payable account, trade receivable account, trade receivable control account. Okay, the first one, wait, later I explain. We put others first because others is easy. If you receive money from the guy, it will be credit side because the guy's account will be reduced, 58,000. Discount allowed will be credit side also because the guy's account will be reduced. Sales return also will be credit side because his debt will be reduced. Okay, but how about the 2,000? They say what? Decrease in the trade receivable during the year. If it is decrease means opening balance is bigger or closing balance is bigger. Decrease. They compare what? They compare with the opening balance and closing balance. Okay, compare with the opening balance, closing balance. They say decrease in a trade receivable during the year. So which one is bigger? Opening is bigger. So we will follow the opening. Opening in the debit side means we put in a debit side. Okay, we will follow the bigger side. It will be debit side. So what's the answer? 58,000 plus 1,200 plus 1,500 minus 2,000. Answer is C. Do you get it? If you don't understand, please let me know. I'll explain again. Okay, question number 30. A trader following information, return on capital employed is this much. What is the profit before the loan interest? What is the, okay, wait. What I can do here is, first I try to work on this formula. This formula is profit from operation. Profit from operation over capital plus NCL. But here this information, I cannot use capital plus NCL. There's a two formula for capital employed. Capital employed got two formula. One is capital plus NCL. Another one is NCA plus CA minus CL. So I'm going to use the second formula because the information given to me is based on the second formula. So how much? 132,000 plus with 28,000 minus with 12,000 equal to 12.5%. So I calculate 132,000 plus 28,000 minus 12,000. So answer is X over 148,000 equal to 12.5. So how much the X? How much the X? Anyone? Wait, let me double check. 132,000 plus 28,000 minus 12,000. I get 148, correct? Oh, 12. So 12.5 over 100. It is 12, 0.125 lah, 0.125. 0.125 times with 148,000. So 148,000 times 0.125. I get 18,500. So X equal to 18,500. You know, right? Profit before the interest is actually profit from operation. Profit before the loan interest is actually profit from operation. It's the same thing. So answer is C. Understand? Which changes would cause increase in a liquid ratio? What is the formula for liquid ratio? Current asset without the closing inventory over the current liability. Okay. Wait. So we will exclude the closing inventory. Yeah? If we exclude the closing inventory, do you think the closing inventory will give you any effect? No. So answer A and B is not acceptable because it's not related, because we exclude the closing inventory. And then they say increase. If your liquid asset increase means become better. So when it will become better? Whenever your PDD is increase or PDD decrease. When it will become better? Whenever your PDD decrease, your trade receivable will be increased. Okay, so answer is C lah. Whenever your PDD decrease, your trade receivable increase. Trade receivable increase means your current asset increase. Current asset increase means your ratio will become better. Understand? See? 32. Abhinav provide the following information. What was the rate of inventory turnover on the 31st December 2020? So what's the formula? Cost of sales over average inventory. So how much the cost of sales in the year of 2020? Cost of sales, they already give you 120,000 over opening inventory, closing inventory. Last year's closing inventory will become this is opening inventory. Yeah? So 4,000 plus with 8,000 divide 2. 4,000 plus 8,000 divide 2 is 6,000. So under 20,000 divide 6, I get 20. Answer is B. Answer is B. You understand? Huh? Last year's closing balance will become this year's opening, and this is this year's closing. Okay, question number 33. Which action will improve the gross margin? What is the formula for gross margin? Means over sales. Huh? Remember this, margin means over sales. So gross margin means gross profit over sales times 100. So improve means the top one will be improved. Huh? The top one will be improved. Answer is increase in expenses. Wait, increase the expenses. Expenses and gross profit is not related. Okay, increase in expenses and a gross profit margin is not related at all. So they improve the gross margin. So your selling price increase or selling price decrease? Selling price increase. Whenever your selling price increase, your gross profit will be increased. Your gross profit better means your overall will be better. And yeah, inside here got sales minus cost of sales, but this sales is increased. Okay, next one. Amira depreciate a non-current asset by the same rate using the same method every year. Very good. Okay, they are following what? Consistency, yes. Business entity, no lah. Business entity is related to the owner and then business. So no. Realization also wrong, totally. Consistency, yes. Matching, yes. Prudent, yes. Answer is C. Realization is wrong. Why consistency? Use the same method. Matching and prudent, not overstate. Prudent is by not overstate the profit and also asset. Matching is we use the asset this year, we use the non-current asset this year, so there's a loss on the value. The loss on the value is for this year, so we record in this year. So 34 is answer C. Kamika financial year did not comply with the accounting principle of the money measurements. Money measurement means everything in accounts, we will measure in a money. We will measure in a money. Okay, what had Kamika done? Include the value of the skill of the employee. Skill of employee is valuable. Yes, I agree it's valuable. But can you tell me how much is the value? No, we cannot judge. We cannot tell how much is the value. So should not include, but she included. That's what she mistake lah. Answer is A. Okay. Forget to include the prepaid insurance is related to matching. Record her drawing in the wages and salary. This is the business entity. Valued inventory at above the original cost. This is the prudence. You should not overvalue the asset. It's a prudence. So answer is A. Okay, we have discussed all the paper.